how to become like, you know, what is it again? Loose Gamer and Untitled Forsaken. So it's like a skin for this guy, and it's my favorite, you know. His name is Shadlowski, and this is usually what he doesn't give, 100 chicken. As what I'm saying is that when you have the skin where it's like this Luis Gamer skin, like everything like this one, you can now get, it's still for free though, okay? It's still for free, except for the legs, it's just all blue. And then after that you need to equip the yourself skin. And now you have now have this. Yes, you now have this. This is what the results look like with this. Yeah, you can also now turn yourself into Nolia's. Okay, here's the look at this, it's so cool. What?
Oh, you're not at school?
No school today.
Huh? Every time, no school?
Yeah.
Every day?
No. Almost every day. POV, me just spinning around for no reason when I'm nosy. Yeah, this is what it really looks like when you're using it. This is my most favorite, bro. When I'm also killer, it's my most favorite. Like, when I go here, I pick Vanity. Go to inventory, go pick him. He turns into freaking Jason as Luis Gamer. This is the most overpowered thing I've ever saw in my entire life. Yeah, this is my most favorite. And then if you guys want to see like how do like, you know, become Harry Twinkle, just go search it up, not me, because I forgot to buy some stuff. It's for free, and this one is kind of for free. I recommend you guys are, if you're a fan of Flamingo, you can like, you know, buy the stuff that Flamingo was using back in the day. Yeah, have fun with this. Have fun with this, and bye bye, and see you at the next video. Peace, chat.